Editing the checkout page in Shopify allows you to customize the final steps of the purchasing process to align with your brand and improve the customer experience. Here's how to do it. Access checkout settings. In your Shopify admin dashboard, go to settings and then click on checkout. Customize checkout options. Here, you can customize various checkout settings, including customer accounts, shipping, and order processing. Enable or disable options based on your preferences and business needs. Edit checkout language. You can edit the wording and language used throughout the checkout process to match your brand's tone and style. This includes labels, buttons, and messages displayed to customers. Add custom fields. Collect additional information from customers by adding custom fields to the checkout page. This can include special instructions, gift messages, or any other relevant details you need. Include policy pages. Ensure that your store's policies, such as shipping, returns, and privacy policies, are clearly visible during checkout. You can link to these pages or display them directly on the checkout page. Preview and test. After making changes, preview your checkout page to see how it will appear to customers. Test the checkout process to ensure everything works smoothly and there are no issues. Save changes. Once you're satisfied with the edits, save your changes to apply them to your live Shopify store.